Welcome to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today in this video I'm going to do a everyday brow tutorial. Today I will be using Sephora eyebrow pencil. This is for rupees 11.50 and the shade is soft charcoal. So I'm gonna use this. As usual, this pencil also has two sides. So one is for the pigment and the other side is for the brushing. So brushing we will be using pre and post defining our shapes, and the pigment we will be using to define our eyebrows as well as to fill them in. So I think without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step is to use the brushing side to set our hair in an upward direction. On a daily basis, our hair generally becomes in a downward direction. We have to do the opposite. We have to set them in an upward direction. So we have just brushed this side and I hope you can see the difference. This side of my eyebrow already has some of the hairs in the downward direction. Now let's go with the second step, which is defining and filling in the eyebrows. You can see the tip, it's pretty precise and very small, which gives you a very free hand to define your eyebrow shape. So I do like this pencil. I will start from the center, take it to the end and then just fill in at the front. So stretching like this, the eyebrow part does help you to define or make a clear line. At this point again you have two choices. You can just fill in the empty spaces of your eyebrow, or you can go about defining it and then filling in the empty space. It's completely your personal choice. Today what I'm going to follow in this particular video is slightly define it and then fill the empty space. Let's do up now. Again start from the center. And then join these. You can see I'm not drawing the line at the front to give it a more natural look. Now I'll be filling in the empty spaces. Till now we have left this area, the initial part, and the remaining we have defined and fill it in for a natural eyebrow look. And now let's see how to go about this area. Okay, for this what I like to do is again stretch it out, the eyebrow part, and just fill in the vertical manner. Fill the empty spaces. Now you will see brushing after this step how it makes the main difference. Again let's use the brushing side and you can go in upward manner the same way. Diffuse the harsh lines. For the front you can also brush like this. It helps a lot. Let's see the complete look by doing our second eye. And I'm just quickly gonna do it. Brush it. And here we are. So I hope my eyebrows do look natural to you, yet defined. Of course, if there's any empty space, you can go fill it in, diffuse it, you can do that. And if you're looking for a good product, you can definitely go for this Sephora pencil. This is for 11.50 rupees, and this pencil helps me so much to get a proper shape, texture, color, and to define it. And yeah, if you have watched so far, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow. Hit that like button, leave the comments, and yeah, that's it. I hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.